Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Neteller using a Visa card. Here's a quick guide to get you started. Once you have logged in to your Neteller account, start by selecting the Add Money option or plus icon from the home page. Next, enter the amount you want to deposit. Double check to ensure it's correct. Now choose your preferred payment method. Select your Visa card if you haven't added your card yet, you will need to provide the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. If your Visa card is already linked to your account, simply select it and confirm the amount. Review all the details and once everything looks good, click confirm or continue. Depending on your bank, you may be prompted for additional verification like a one-time passcode or password. That's it. Your deposit will be processed and the funds will appear in your Neteller account shortly. It's fast, secure, and convenient. Thanks for watching.